What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis. Happy Vlogmas. On today's video, I am going to be bowling until I get a messenger. Jesse is here watching and he said, well, what if you get a messenger on the first try? Then it's a short video. If it's on the 15th try, then it's a longer video. So we're just gonna keep going until I get a messenger because I don't get a lot of messengers typically. I'm typically the type of, even two-handed, I get like maybe 1 or 2 messengers a night. There is a little science behind trying to get a messenger. You definitely want to come a little bit behind the head pin to shoot that head pin across. So that's going to be the big goal. Before we get on the lanes, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're on the way to 50,000 subscribers and I can't get there without you. If you like the jersey I'm wearing in this video or in any of my videos, coolwick.com, promo code Napoles 10. That gets you 10% off your entire order. Shout out to Coolwick, shout out to Vice. I appreciate you guys. Let me know in the comments, do you typically throw a lot of messengers? Yes or no? I hope that this video is not too long. I hope that it's not too short. I mean, who knows? It could be a 2-minute long video. It could be a 6-hour long video. I hope it doesn't take that long. I got 2 balls with me, basically. I have my Physics Blackout. Actually, I have 3 balls. Physics Blackout, Road Warrior, and Primal Rage Evolution. So we'll see you here on the lanes. All right, Chris, first shot of the video coming up. All right, first shot of the video. We're gonna start in the Road Warrior. This video, it could end right now. We will see. It could end literally after this shot. I doubt it will though, but we'll see here. Nope. No messenger on the first shot. That would have been cool. Right, this is going to be the second shot here, and I think I'm in the right ball because it's definitely clean enough through the fronts. Now let's make another shot here. Or dead flush, so 0 for 2. All right, shot number 3 coming. I'm going to move a little bit left because, again, I want to come a little light to shoot that head pin across. I mean, if the 10 pin would have stood, that would have been close, but 0 for 4 now. All right, sorry, that last shot was number 3. This is the 4th attempt, and I'm gonna stick in the Road Warrior. Hey, we're 0 for 3 so far. Messengers, but I've struck twice. All right, so I think I'm in the right spot now. Would that have counted? That might have, Yeah. But either way, 0 for 4 now. All right, 0 for 4, 5th attempt coming up. I'm gonna inch left again. So I'm going too high flush to get a messenger, but I think I'm getting close. Messenger was there, but the 10 pin fell. Hey, by the way, the longer this takes, the more practice I get. So it's not too bad. 0 for 5. I was just telling Jesse that every 10 shots, I'll ball change. That way I'm not just in the same ball the whole time. Even though I think the Road Warrior might be the one. Oh for 6. All right, 0 for 6. See if we can go 1 for 7. This could be the last shot of the video here, guys. Oh for 7. A lot of good shots, though. All right, we're 0 for 8. I'm going to move big left now because, again, I'm coming in too high, I think. So big left here. See what this looks like. I just went a full zone left and still went flush. All right, 0 for 9. I can't really ball change though because both of the balls I brought are stronger. Maybe I'll just move right if this one doesn't messenger. Oh, all right, 0 for 10. So now I'm gonna move right and increase my ball speed and see if that helps. All right, I'm gonna move right and increase my ball speed and see if that helps here. Well, I got to throw it better. Let me tap into my inner Belmo. 0 for 11. See if I can go 1 for 12. Start a little bit higher here. Higher ball speed. Just like everything is dead flush, which is not a bad thing, but I'm trying to get a message. All right, shot 13 coming here. Trying to get it to go down. And all right, shot 14, I think. I'm not even close here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna ball change and move left. All right, 0 for 14, ball changing to the 5.5-inch pin physics blackout. Maybe. 0 for 15. I think I've struck a bunch though. All right, 0 for 15 here. Oh for 16. I thought I had it. All right, we're 0 for 16, I think. I think I'm losing track here. Shot number 17, physics blackout still. Oh! That was there. The messenger went across, but it doesn't count. All right, 0 for 17. Maybe. God. Jesse says if I don't throw a messenger on this one, I got to do a push-up. All right, I think I'm 0 for 18. No, not every shot, just this one. 0 for 18. All right, I have no idea what number we are, like maybe 19 now. I just got to get it right. I think the ones I got right were pretty close. Oh. Jesse says I have for sure thrown 12 in a row already. I don't know because I'm not keeping track. On screen, you'll see because I'll keep a tally, but I have no idea. All right, 0 for 20. After this one, I'll go back to the Road Warrior. Or I'll throw the Primal Rage to see. So 0 for 20 possibly. Oh, it's in the gutter. Well, I think my streak is over now for strikes in a row. All right, so Jesse said, imagine if that one was for 12 in a row and then I guttered. I really have no idea. So this is the Primal Rage Evolution with a little bit of surface. Back. All right, I think we're 0 for 21. See, everyone says, oh, bowl two-handed, you'll get all these messengers. Lies. That doesn't count. 0 for 22. All right, so I think number 22 coming up right here. Let me get this one right. And no lofty like the last one. What if that messenger would have shot across as a Brooklyn shot? I think that's 23. And final, calling it right now. Kobe Bryant, number 24. Five jumping jacks? I ain't doing that. All right, lucky number 25 coming up. Lucky number 25. That's it. Dead flush. Hey, someone tell me in the comments what my strike percentage is right now. All right, number 26 coming up, which is my birthday, July 26th. This has to be a lucky one here. All All right, 0 for 26. This is number 27. And another strike. No messenger. So I didn't know how long this video was going to last. I didn't think we'd be this deep, because in league I get more than this. But we're 0 for 27. This is number 28. And then it doesn't even hook. 0 for 28. Guys, I understand it now. I understand it now. All right. This one here is for Lethal Shooter and Jesse. I understand it now. Or that's the wrong ball. We're ball changing now. All right, number 30, back to the Road Warrior. I understand it now. See, this is what I was worried about. Now the lanes are getting kind of... All right, Jesse's telling me to go to the physics blackout, but I'm going to throw this one more time because I'm going to slow hook it because it's getting super clean. We're going to move up on the approach, kind of slow hook this a little bit. Or miss left by a mile. All right, so I asked Jesse, this is number 31 coming right here. I asked Jesse if Simo would have messengered already, and he said, oh yeah, I think that's all I needed. First 10 shots. All right, well, watch this messenger 10 pin right now. I mean, look, I'm thankful for good ball motion, but come on. All right, 0 for 31 messengers. Does that count? No. All right, 0 for 32. Oh for 33. All right, I think 0 for 33 now. Good ball motion, though, I'll tell you that. Oh! God, I threw that terrible. All right, I'm calling it right now, boys. Messenger right now. It's going to be a messenger 9 pin is what I'm calling. Gotta remain calm. Time to lock in, boys. And ladies. Now it's time to lock in. 36 shots in. You're right, Jesse. Thank you. It's like, yeah, well now, you know, you threw my ball and... All right, I think I'm in the right spot. Let me slow down now. This is way longer than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm invested now. It's like, it's either light and doesn't strike or it goes dead flush. All right, I think 37 or 38 coming up right here. See it. All right, we're gonna say that one was 37. So I'll throw 38, 39, and 40, and if I don't strike, I'm gonna move to lane 1. Maybe. 0 for 38. I thought that last one had a chance. But 2 more and then we'll go to lane 1. Oh! Jesse! Oh! That's heartbreaking there, guys. All right, this is number 40. That last one was so freaking close. All right, 0 for 40. But I'm going to stay on the lane because I got one that was close, so might as well. There it is. Hey! Hey! Jesse! Got it on my first try, baby! Jesse, what do you think? 1 for 41. Done.